The circle of hate. Hate. Hey, this is Garfield, Dumpy. And this is Onyx. He is sweet and black. Or, as other people say it, sleek and black. With one white dot on his belly. Onyx, look at me. And this is Garfield, Dumpy. As I told you, as I confuse him with Garfield, that means he is exactly like Garfield. Fat, eats and sleeps. Sometimes he plays with toys. He has a relationship with a dog like Garfield has a relationship with Odie. And that tornado siren is from him. Oh, and Jaspy, the calm one's over here. Yeah.
Alright, I'm going back to work, you guys.
Oh.
Here, I'll open it.
Okay.
No using keys.
So,
These are hard to open.
this is Dumpy. Garfield. Garfield. Dumpy.
I'm going to give that one to you. No, we're all sharing them.
Okay.
I got yours.
So, the tornado siren of hate. Now it's the triangle of hate. Let's see.
Triangle of hate.
Get out of here.
Well,
It's a triangle of hate.
the middle can only complete it. And this. Can every cat and this triangle. Hey.
No, Ranger's the middle.
Oh.
Ranger.
I'm the middle.
No, Colton. Ranger, come on.
Oh.
That is Ranger.
Down.
Derpy dog.
Down.
A dog.
Hey, dog.
Here we go. It's the triangle of hate. There goes Dumpy.
I wonder.
Okay.
Yeah.
That, I just wanted to introduce you to the tornado siren and the triangle of hate. There you go.
Triangle of hate.
That's all today. Derpy dog says bye.
As he's itching his butt.